Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all private messages in Discord. So in this case, you have to open your Discord account from web browser like Chrome browser or any browser. Then open a new tab and write here Me6Bot. Okay, now click on the first link. Click on Add to Discord. Now choose the server you want to invite this Me6Bot, like for backup this server. Click on Setup. And if this server name is okay, then click on Continue here. Scroll down and you'll find Authorize. Click on Authorize. Now click on I'm a human, or this thing. Okay, you can see that Me6Bot is here. Now go back to that bot. Choose why you are opening this channel. Anything you can choose. So scroll down and you'll find here all plugins. Scroll down in plugins section and you'll find here moderator. Click on enable your moderation, active moderator. And now go back to your channel and write here something like, if you want to delete all these messages, I'm going to show you how. Okay, you can see all of these messages. Okay, now if you want to delete all these messages or any messages, just command the bot to clear these messages. Just click on right here this command, exclamatory clear, and you'll find this suggestion. Click on first link, clear, then click on amount and write the amount you want to delete message, like I'm writing here 100. There is no 100 messages, but if that would be deleted too. So I'm choosing 100 and clicking on enter. You can see that all these messages has deleted. Me6Bot has deleted all of your previous messages. So if there was 1000 messages, that would be deleted too. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.